southeastern Perry County, northern Washington County, Morgan County, northern Athens County, until 3:30 a.m. At 2:54 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south of South Zanesville to Buckville, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lower Salem, Stockport, Buckville, Burnt Oak State Park, McConnellsville, Renville, Hackney, Beverly, Malta, Eagleport, Nelsonville, Chester Hill, Lowell, Maxburg, Bristol, Trimble, Hemlock, Gloucester, Jacksonville, and Crooksville. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 2 and 17. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.